Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just about to get ready, so I'm literally getting ready to like film videos. Nothing exciting at all really. Well, it's exciting to me but not for my social life. Anyway, I've got a couple of new makeup bits, so I thought I would do a little chatty get ready with me. I'm not doing too much makeup because like it's 4:30 on a Friday evening, to get me. Don't really have the time. I need to get my few bits recorded and then relax for the evening, do you know? So yes, this is my first get ready with me on my new camera, and I feel like it'd be so much better because honestly makeup videos on a shit camera are just so difficult, like you've got no idea. So yeah, it just never looks like the right colours and stuff like that, so I hope you like it. If you can see a good difference, let me know because I'm just interested. Anyway, so I'm gonna start off. This is like daytime kind of glam makeup, I'd say, is what I'll end up going for. I've just dried my hair. I used this thing that I have that gives you like basically a curly blow dry, and that is like the curliest that my hair goes, but I kind of like it. I also got my hair done the other day and I got like little bangs or a side fringe kind of. Kind of wish I got them cut shorter, but I was too scared, and I think she was as well, to be honest. So right, let's get going on makeup because we could literally be here all day talking about nothing. So this is by Essence. I only got sent this, I've never tried it. It's called Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. I think it's €6 and something cent, so you could say it's a bargain. Has hyaluron and aloe vera, and they sent me the shade Cool Beige. I don't know if this will suit me. It looks like it will, but I'm not sure. I've actually got tan on my face as well, and I just look really pale because of the ring light, but my face is actually quite tanned. Like, it does match my... No, my hand's a bit darker. My hand's crazy though, but my face is really tanned, so probably don't even really need much foundation, but I want to try this, so I'm gonna... Yes, this colour looks really good. And I've also got this face mist from Essence as well. It's 3-in-1 face mist, hydrate, fix and refresh, and it has watermelon extract in it, so it smells so nice. So I'm gonna spray... I was gonna spray my face, but I'm gonna spray my beauty blender because I don't really dampen it much. I just usually give it a quick spray of something. I'm very lazy. Now it smells like watermelon, so nice. Yeah, this colour is actually perfect for me when I've got tan on. Hopefully it's a nice... Yeah, pretty natural. That's exactly what I'm looking for today. It's nice, like it covers like the redness on my face. My face is a bit red because I just dried my hair, and I'm always I'm very flushed afterwards. So yeah, gives nice coverage but not millions of it, which I actually really like. I really like the whole cakey vibe, especially for during the day. I'm literally like, I get like embarrassed. I'm like, people are gonna think that I'm a weirdo and I'm like going out, and then especially because we can't go out at the moment, I end up just taking it off again because I can't bear the feeling of having loads of makeup on. Yeah, that's really nice. It's kind of like a BB cream, I guess. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to put any more foundation on because I'm happy with that. Just want my face the same colour pretty much everywhere, and just a bit more of an even skin tone. So now I'm going to use some concealer. I like this one, it's from Revolution. It's Conceal and Define, and I've got the shade C5. I would prefer a slightly more yellowy tone, but it's good. And it's good coverage. Got so many holes to report, it's not even normal. Why do I always have so many to record? I need to stop spending big fat money. I'm so bad at covering spots as anyone else. It's so hard. I find it so hard to cover them. I don't know why. Just not good at it. When other people like literally hide the fact that they've got full-blown acne and I get like one spot, which obviously I'm not complaining about. I'm lucky with my skin, but like I just can't cover it when I do get a spot. It's not normal. And covering my black dark circles is also so hard. I find that impossible. I feel like no amount of concealer and no concealer really fully gets rid of them. I don't know how other people have no dark circles. I'm literally like, how? I got a new lip liner and I can't wait to use it. It's Oak by MAC, so I'm genuinely just going to do my lips now. I find it very similar to Strip Down. Just like brown. But yeah, I've seen loads of people recommend this lately, so it's just like, I'll try it. I'm gonna try and overline my lips. It's so hard. I don't know why I find it so hard. Like I can do the bottom a bit, but at the top I'm like, it just doesn't work for me. I'm always like, how do people do it? And when it's like wearing off, like, do you look ridiculous with like half of your lip missing? I just don't know. It's actually kind of working. This side's overlined. And then I'm gonna do some blush. When I go crazy and do some liquidy. Yeah, I'm gonna use some of this Oh My Glam liquid eyeliner. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the blush. This is Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I love it. It's so peachy and nice. I love blush so much. Always go overboard with it. My favourite. Makes you look so healthy and glam. And then I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna wet my brush. May as well wet my face with as well. See, you can still see my spot. I'm fuming. Okay, I'll use this one. This is Doll Light in Shine Bright. So gold. It's so fab. I'm gonna try not to use too much. It's literally impossible, isn't it? I don't really use powder. I'll use bronzer now. I usually use powder under my eyes actually to set them. I'm gonna do that now. This one's by Essence. It's just transparent or translucent. My face is so white in the camera. I'm gonna do a tiny bit of eyeshadow today, just something so basic, like my usual browny orange, but it's actually been a while since I've even done that. That's how bloody lazy I've been. Ooh, I actually got a new bronzer. So this is Matte and Glow Bronzer by Essence, and it is 99%, it has 99% natural ingredients. So I'm guessing down here is matte and up here is glowy. I'm gonna use the matte one because where am I meant to use the glowy one? I don't really usually want any places that I bronze to be glowy, I don't think. It smells like chocolate. A little bit, like very subtle. Maybe I can use it like on my, this kind of area. Maybe on the forehead a little bit of the glowy will be nice. Maybe I'll mix them together. Genius. I swear this fully smells like chocolate and doesn't say something like, yeah, with cocoa nourishing. I really like this in person, but I don't like it in the camera. Is it my ring light? Wow, that's so dark. Yeah, this is more like the colour of me, but it's very, very dark, isn't it? So like you can't really see what I'm doing that well. But I'm still wider than this. Perfect. Some soap brows, just subtle, not, you know, not too much. So I just wet my bar soapy and I use this brush. Then I just brush my brows up. I don't even really bother to fill them in, to be honest. I haven't tinted them in a while, but they're still dark enough, especially because I've just got my hair done. So I went a bit more natural with my hair. I was like, can you just break up the highlights a bit more? So I got, oh, I think I always get like 2 shades of blonde, but I got one of them slightly darker, and then she just left a good few gaps of my own colour hair, which is like the browny looking ones, because she said that my roots are actually quite light, but they just look darker compared to the highlighted parts because they are so light. That's it. And she was like, if you want to go darker next time we can, but not yet. I'm just very scared. It was a new hairdresser. Just very scared to do anything, I feel like, in case I wasn't happy. She probably thought I'd complain or something, but as if I'd complain. Quite like it, but I think it won't be too bad when it grows out a bit as well, because, you know, we're in a global pandemic and we're on lockdown. So yeah, I was so lucky to get my hair done, and I actually really, really like it. Also got a cut down here. I never told you about here. Oh, I actually love this brow mascara by Essence. I haven't used it in a while. Will I, won't I use a bit? I think I use a tiny bit. It's a really good product. I love it. Is there any naturally ones in this? This is the Be Perfect Clientele palette. And oh my god, it's phenomenal. Yes, they do. Oh, I forgot how good this is. It's so pigmented. I'm going to use these. I'd say this is glow up, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm going to use it up here. God, I'm so fancy today. I haven't done this in a very long time. I'm gonna get this bigger brush. This is a pixie brush. It's fab. I didn't know that they even had makeup brushes, but this one is amazing. So I'm gonna use some of Sandy and probably just do it like literally all over my eyelid. I was gonna say my eyeshadow. I'll put my eyeshadow all over my eyeshadow, will I? So nice. Even just that on its own is so nice. Okay, go on, I'll use a bit of Dirty Tan. Now that's good colour. Now just do it in the crease a little bit. Now blendy, blendy, blend, and yeah, I think that's enough, to be honest. I don't think I'll bother doing any more eyeshadow. They have such good colours though, like there's full below and khaki and everything. That would actually probably be so nice, wouldn't it? I'd love to do night out makeup, but I wouldn't love to actually go on a night out even. I just want to get like that dressed up, but I just can't justify it unless I'm actually going out. So mascara. So I love this Pixie one. It's called Large Lash Mascara. This is so good. Look at the difference. Like, what? That is like the tiniest bit on only. It's like 120 or 130. It's by Essence and it's their Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Gloss. This is shade Lovely Raspberry. When I use a bit of this, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Peachy. It is matte though, but I like the colour. Just gonna do a little bit. nice colour. Then I will do this over it because actually no, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna do one video with a matte lip and then I'm gonna record the one afterwards with a glossy lip. So yeah, yes, I'm ready. I might curl my hair, see how I feel. I'll leave it like this for the first video that I record anyway. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I've got loads of hauls coming obviously. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.